Welcome to Accounting Theory classes. I am Venkatmurthy SG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Monkey. Topic of the session: Valuation of Inventory under LIFO method. Content of the session: Last in, first out method, that is LIFO, concept and meaning, advantages of last in, first out method, disadvantages of last in, first out method. Last in, first out method, that is LIFO. Under this method, it is assumed that the raw material of latest lots is exhausted first. That is, raw material stocked or purchased recently are sent to the production department first, and finished goods and purchased goods of latest lots are sent to sales counter first. And once the latest lot is exhausted, then only the earlier lots are considered for issue for sales or production process. The LIFO method of inventory valuation is based on the principle that materials are entering production area are the most recently purchased. The inventory laying unsold at the end of the year would belong to the earliest lots, either purchased or produced. Therefore, these are valued at the earliest purchase price or cost of production prevailing at the beginning of the year. During a period of rising cost, LIFO produces the desirable effect of reducing taxable income and tax liability, thereby conserving cash. On the other hand, it also affects the profit reported in the financial statement. But we have to consider that in case of LIFO method, if rising pricing trend or increasing pricing trend in the market for the cost of material, then it surely have an impact on business in terms of real value of stock which is recorded at lowest price but which is having highest market price compared to the cost which is recorded. Advantages of LIFO method: it provides better matching of current cost with current revenues. As we are following LIFO method, that is last in, first out, in which the latest lots of material purchased are issued for production process. So matching of revenue will be with current cost. It results in real income in times of rising prices. As I have explained earlier, the latest items purchased at current prices are issued for production, and when prices are rising, the lowest priced or lowest cost material will be in stock, but their market price will be comparatively higher than the recorded price or book price of those material which is in stock. It helps to save tax during increasing raw material prices. As the increasing raw material prices will leads to increased production cost under LIFO method. So the total taxable income of the company will going to comes down due to increased cost of production. So it leads to lower tax liability for the company in case of increasing raw material prices. LIFO produces an income statement showing correct profit or losses as it correlates current cost and sales. In case of LIFO, the latest material or latest purchased stock is issued for production. It will result in exact latest trend in the cost and which will be compared easily with current profit levels. LIFO helps in pricing of products as per pricing trend in the market. As it considers latest material for production and the latest cost, okay, in total cost of production determination. So pricing of the items at latest market trend is possible under LIFO method of pricing the issue. Disadvantages of LIFO method: inventory valuation do not reflect the current prices. as the latest materials or latest purchased stocks are issued for production, or latest purchased goods are sold at earlier, the stock which is there in the godown will represent older stock values or older valuation. So it doesn't reflect recent price trend. It may not reflect efficiency or performance of the management. As the valuation comes down in case of increasing price trend, it does not add any value to the total profit of the company. Though the real value or real profit of the company increases, it doesn't reflect in the balance sheet. So management performance cannot be evaluated under increasing price trend under LIFO method. During fire accident, company cannot able to claim real value of the lost material, as the LIFO records last in first out. Under latest materials are issued at current prices, but whenever prices are increasing in the market, in those conditions, real value only increases for the firm regarding the stock of the material, but the actual book value doesn't reflect these real values. So if fire accident happens in the company, it cannot be recovered at real value. Only claims are settled at book value, which is recorded as per LIFO method. Following are the references. Thank you.